Very surprising and very amazing type of leaks are coming about the Apple, that it is gonna be using A15 Bionic chip for its upcoming model. For the iPhone 13. Obviously that is not that surprising. It is obviously not surprising. Obviously it will use the A14 after, A15 after A14, or any kind of other numbers it can be. But the surprising point is it is gonna be using the 5nm technology. Obviously same technology as the A14 Bionic chip. About the other leaks of Apple, it is still not clear, and we can't just imagine any type of specifications in the case of Apple, because Apple is quite surprising. It likes to surprise other people. If we do not expect any kind of amazing or any high specific feature, then Apple actually provide that feature in its any type of product. For example, in the case of iPad Pro 2021 model, by giving the M1 chip, which is obviously very great. Benchmark is actually not that much improved comparing the A14 Bionic chip. A14 Bionic chip. Well, about the iPhone 13, if you have to compare it with the iPhone 12, then the screen size will be almost same. For the iPhone 12 mini, it will be around 5.4 inch, and in the actually Pro model, it can have 120Hz adaptive refresh rate for its display. Well, now let's get back in the case of its chip. For the SoC, the A15 Bionic chip. So there is also a rumor about the A15, or not in the case of A15 actually, about the Apple, that it is gonna be using 4nm technology, or it is gonna be working on the 4nm technology in 2022. So we can't be sure right now that Apple is actually gonna be using A15 5nm technology based chip for its iPhone 13 model. But yes, if Apple will use A15 5nm based technology for its iPhone 13, then I think it will be quite hard for Apple to make the improvements better than the previous A14 Bionic chip. So yes, it will be actually quite interesting to see what kind of feature it's gonna be providing in its upcoming iPhone model. In the iPhone 13, if it will be named as the iPhone 13. And yes, you can also see many type of features. You can see many type of leaks about the Apples in the website. Oh yeah, you can see the unboxings as well. Yes, you can now see the future in the hands of the other YouTubers, big YouTubers. Well, I don't want to name them. So yes guys, that's for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then please make sure to hit the like button, and also just subscribe this channel. And also please share this with your friends and families, and also don't forget to comment in my today's video any kind of good or bad review, or any kind of information, or anything that you want to provide to me. Then please let me know in the comment section. And yes guys, that's for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.